This is question 12 of Civil Engineering paper GATE 2013. In its natural condition, a soil sample has a mass of 1.980 kg and a volume of 0.001 meter cube. After being completely dried in an oven, the mass of the sample is 1.800 kg. A specific gravity G is 2.7, unit weight of water is 10 kilonewton per meter cube. The degree of saturation of the soil is. So, in this question, the mass of a soil sample in its natural condition is given as 1.980 kg and volume of the soil sample is 0.001 meter cube. After completely dried in an oven, the mass of sample becomes 1.8 kg. The specific gravity G is given as 2.7 and the unit weight of water is given 10 kilonewton per meter cube. Now, we need to find the degree of saturation of the soil. So, this question is from the topic of three-phase diagram. You may study about degree of saturation, a specific gravity and other related terms in detail in lecture 6, three-phase diagram, soil mechanics geotechnical engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Baid, IIT Kharagpur. So, degree of saturation is defined as the volume of water by volume of void. If it is need to be taken in percentage, so multiply it by 100. So, this is degree of saturation in percent, the volume of water to the volume of void. Now, so for finding the degree of saturation, there are various formula. We can also draw the three-phase diagram and corresponding to that we can find the degree of saturation. But here some data related to mass and volume is given. So, by using this data we can also find the degree of saturation. So, first the water content of the soil. So, water content of the soil W is weight of water. So, weight of water can be found by difference of this mass 1.980 minus 1.800. This is what? This is the mass of the soil sample before drying and after drying. So, difference will give the water content divided by weight of the soil solid only, which is 1.800. So, from here the water content becomes 0.1. So, water content we got 0.1. Now, we know the bulk density formula for the soil, gamma B equal to G gamma W into 1 plus W by 1 plus E, where E is the void ratio. Void ratio is what? Void ratio is volume of void by volume of soil solid. So, this is void ratio. If it needs to be in percentage, so just multiply it by 100%. So, this will be in percent now. Now, gamma V, can we find the gamma B? Yes. How? The gamma is density. So, density is mass per unit volume. So, mass is 1.980 divided by 0.001. Now, this is in kg per meter cube, as it can be seen from here, kg per meter cube. But the unit weight of water, which is gamma W, is in kilonewton per meter cube. So, just uniform the unit on both sides. So, if it is kg per meter cube, so multiply it by 9.81 into 10 to the power minus 3. So, from there kg per meter cube to kilonewton per meter cube. Now, equal to G. G is what? G is 2.7 and this is 2.7 into gamma W, which is 10 into 1 plus W. W is water content, which just we have calculated 0.1 by 1 plus E. Further, the relationship between E and S is given by E equal to Wg by S, where W is the water content, G is the specific gravity and S is the degree of saturation. So, we can write E as Wg by S. So, W is water content 0.1, G is 2.7 and S. So, from this equation we can find, when we solve this equation, we will get the value of degree of saturation as 0.51. So among this option, 0.54 is very near to this one. So we can say 0.54 is the degree of saturation of the soil for given condition. So 0.54 is given in option C. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.